What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another round with all these beautiful cousins. Okay, let me introduce GX Gab. We got Stella. We got Kuya Dongkoy. We got his main character here sometimes. This is Ate Yankee.
That's a leader!
He's the leader of the...
That means it's a main character.
I'm
Okay,
not
this is
gay.
Lee. I'm Kax.
Yes, you are. Okay, now go. Pili na
Okay. Everyone in the comments say gaily. And the spelling of Lee is L-L-E-E.
lang mo!
Hashtag.
Mura man mo gipang kuwan.
Why are there so many gay people? Okay, I'm gonna choose my role people. Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Oh, not it again!
No,
Exchange! Opening it! No! I'm not again! No! No! Agay!
Alright, everyone, say your fake roles or your roles.
I'm the narrator! 100% I am citizen! It's again!
Kanya na tayo na discuss.
Narrator ko!
Oh, okay, there you go.
Pwede ron tala sa discussion inyo ng mga rules na ayaw.
Oh, okay. Okay, then go. Go to the narrator spot.
Narrator!
Make sure the video should this be a last round or should it?
Everyone, sleep now!
Excuse, don't patong-patong on each other.
Oh,
Oh.
sleep now. Healer, wake up.
No.
Who want you to kill first tonight? Okay, go back to sleep. Healer, wake up. Who wants to take?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You? Okay, go back to sleep.
You?
Traitor, wake up. You want ang shield. Tangtang ang shield.
Patay. Wait, this broke.
Left jab.
Sheriff, wake up. Who is your suspecto? Okay, go back to sleep. Okay, everyone wake up.
Ah!
Breaking news.
My breaking news! Hala! Is there a
That-
quiet person in town?
Someone not died. Wa kamatay tanan. Wala.
Ano man?
Kids.
Kisay namatay din yung ta.
Oh, ikaw na napitik ka kay yourself so na live ka.
Hindi mo
Si
healer. Yabag. Yan yung ilang
Yeah, ikaw mo gayon ako.
You should say the healer protected her!
Healer protect her so oh my gosh, Jesus. Si Kuya respect si Nemo. Respect.
So sheriff, di ka!
Oh,
Why
Siya
do you
man.
have to reveal a role? I never woke up!
Maybe nag-bluff ka bro.
Ay!
Ayaw,
Role ka man, lang
ang sheriff kay dili mao yung suspect. Ang sheriff kay dili mao ang suspect.
Bakit mo na ang gintik? Hindi mo siya king.
No, be quiet.
Vote na.
Vote?
Oh,
Why me?
vote.
Hindi. Ikaw na yun.
Why me?
I never did anything to your life.
Or si Junkie ni kay patay mo si Junkie so si Inday ni.
Si Ella kay nagawas na. Out na si Ella.
Si Inday ni yun.
Awat.
Inday!
No, it's her! No, it's her!
It's a tie, look. Tie.
Inday uy!
Tie, oy.
Samantaw ni!
Tie.
Di mo tay!
Tulong man kabuk ng nagbuot ni.
Oh, tulo ka ba ni?
Di na tulong man to!
Oh.
Sili ka na ni-vote niya Junkie. So di sa tayo ko. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Stella. Out na ka.
What's your role? Citizen!
Okay. Everyone, sleep.
For the love of God, you are so...
Everyone, sleep. Killer.
Not too close to me, excuse me. Excuse, not too close. I'm trying to sleep in peace.
Killer, wake up. What the hell? What you want to kill first?
First,
Okay, tonight. Tonight, hello.
No. Healer, wake up. Healer. Who wants to protect the synthesis?
Who wants to protect you, Slit?
Okay, go back to sleep. Traitor, wake up.
like the...
Sanay mo. Tangtang mo ng defense. Protection. Okay, go back to sleep. Sheriff, wake up. Who is your suspecto?
Suspecto.
Okay, sleep.
Cheater, okay. Tao na eh.
Everyone, wake up.
Good morning, everyone.
Wait, ako.
Oh,
Breaking news! Hala! Ikaw. Ako naman yung breaking news. The killer has been killed someone.
kinsa?
Si Yankee.
Me?
Yeah.
Ha? Again?
protect na ko. Di ba si
Killer mo siya.
si Yankee. Si Kuya man to. Si Yankee man.
Yung kilo si Kuya.
Yankee man.
Laki na lang eh.
Yankee man. Si Kuya na lang.
So yeah, you save yourself. More no? Oh, you can save yourself.
What is kita? Di. Si someone get killed. Si Yankee. Sama na. Si Yankee protect niya. Si Kuya.
Ano? Siya kay Kuya. So di ay sumuka na niyo. Oh, I got confused. Where's your brain cells at now?
Go. Kalimot ko si Kuya man.